Good afternoon, Miss.
Okay, Miss, good afternoon.
Okay, today we are going to do evaluation. I will ask from the LP that you have made for this week.
Yes.
So the first it will be sounds great. So can you explain the sounds great that you are giving to the students for this week?
Okay, for this week, we'll learn about our new sounds. The first sound is ent, unk, and k. Okay.
Example. So there are three sounds.
Yeah, four sounds.
Oh, four
but
sounds.
For this week, we just have review. So last 3 weeks, we have learned about these sounds. I mean, like last week, we learned about unk, 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 and one more is ent. So yeah. So for this week, that is a review
First
part.
or review.
Yeah, review part.
So the example.
For the review, we open the book applications, then we open the story and chance. After that, we play the game that relate with the sounds that we have learned for the previous week.
So how many example
What kind of example this?
for the sounds great?
The sounds great. Example. What kind of
For
example?
reviewing.
For review.
You review, right? The
Yes,
sounds
review
great.
the sounds. We just play the applications, not reviewing the sounds.
So you don't need to explain again.
We don't have to explain again because we just like in the first time I need to explain that, but it's not too much like as usual. But we are like we just decide to discuss more about like homework, and then reviewing discuss the homework
I mean,
first.
the homework is
the
about-
previous homework first about the last sounds that we learned of last week.
Okay, I mean, what is the sound?
Unk, and unk, and then one more is k. By the way, at the LP,
The LP is different.
is smas. Nah, that is typo, miss. Because on Tuesday, that is the true one. That is the true sounds.
On Wednesday?
On Tuesday. Yes, on Tuesday. It's already unk. For the Monday, maybe the one that made it is typo.
Okay.
Doing mistyping.
So the example, miss? What's the example for each
The
of these
example
sounds?
of unk.
Yeah.
Unk is
right? Unt.
Okay,
The
unt
first.
first. The example of unt like plant and ant, and then plant. It based from the book, the source from the book, and then from unk like ink, pink, and tank, and then for like swing, like wing, and then king, and then ring. After that, we have ke like lock, neck,
Sick.
yeah, sick. That one.
All right. Okay. So for the little step also reviewing.
Yeah, for the
So what is your review, miss?
we
For the
yeah, we'll review our unit. It's about restaurant. So I review some little some checkpoint questions of little steps. So in this review part, uh, full of full of durations, I review all the checkpoint questions, like asking them about the checkpoint questions start from the first until the last. So one of the checkpoint questions that I really ask to them, like they have to know what is restaurant means, what does persons what does people what the people can see at the restaurant, and then the third is what is the activity that people do at the restaurant.
So you mean you repeat the same question?
I repeat the same question, but make it clearer. So the function is to make them like, if someone, that is a general question. So when they are asked by someone about that one, they will be able to answer like that.
So I mean, so far, how is the result?
How's the result? They can answer my questions.
All of them?
3 of them. But if we ask
Three of them only can answer?
three of the questions, because I really focus for these 3 questions. For the
Yes.
rest, in example, like what is your favorite drinks, they have their own answers. The answer is not should be same like our checkpoint questions because they have their own they have their own they have their own answer, right? When I ask them, what is your favorite drink? What is your favorite drink when you go to the restaurant? What drinks that you always order? Some of them can answer like, I always drink orange juice, I always drink chocolate, and I ask them the reason. They have their own reason for that, like yeah, something like that, right?
You ask the reason.
Yeah, if we
So far,
ask about
what did they answer?
some of them like, yes, miss, I like to order ice cream, I like to order chocolate milk, I like to order orange juice. Oh,
Don't you ask why?
yeah, why do you choose that? Why do you order orange juice? Because orange juice is fresh. And then like ice cream, because ice cream is sweet and fresh. And then why do you like to order chocolate milk? Because I like chocolate milk, miss, so I like to order chocolate milk when I go everywhere.
So only drink. How about the food? Don't you ask again?
About the food, like if the food it's food, like example, like when I ask them what food that you always order when you go to the restaurant. Sometimes means when I go to when I go to Pizza Hut, I will order pizza because the food is really have like really have a lot of things, right, miss? So when
And then based on the place also.
yeah, based on the place also, when the restaurant is the
Don't you explain that restaurant is maybe more complete than cafe or than others? No.
No, we just
Focus to restaurant.
yeah, we just focus to what is restaurant, what is the function of restaurant, where why people go to the restaurant, something like that.
So don't you explain that there are some food, maybe for example, for the main course we just eat this one, for the dessert.
Oh, we discuss about the part of food like main course,
Yes.
like appetizer, and then dessert.
explain
Dessert. I explain and I told them about the kinds of, like in example, the kinds of appetizer like cookie, salad, the kinds of main course. The example of main course like pizza, spaghetti, pasta, or even rice. And then the example of dessert like ice cream, chocolate pudding, or jelly,
French fries.
French fries.
Okay then. Right now we move to dictionary English. What is balance, miss?
Balance is trying to fit in, and then you try to hold your body for not falling down. Example, like when you're riding a bike, you have to make the bike balance.
Bathtub?
Bathtub is a thing that you use for bathing. In example, you use a bathtub for if you use bathtub for having a bath. Something like that.
Beat?
Beat is a kind of activity that we hit things for listening or producing a rhythm. It's like beating a music instrument. Like an example, we hit the drum. So we hit the drum by beating the drum.
So it can produce sound like that.
Yeah, it can produce sounds because we beat the thing. In example, like we beat the table. It can produce the sounds like knock, something like that. We beat the if drum, it will have the
Different sound.
yeah, different sounds.
Okay. Blindfold?
Blindfold is a clothes that you use to cover the eyes. Sorry. In example, like when you cover your friend's eyes with blindfolds, sometimes people did this kind of activity when they want to make a surprise to someone, like having a surprise birthday party surprise.
Bib?
Bib is a clothes that we use for covering our neck, so it will make us keep clean. An example, like the baby use bib while eating.
Okay. Blush?
Blush is like when you feel shy or feel something and make your cheeks becomes pink or red. That is
Pink
good.
or red?
Yep.
Because of?
Uh,
Because of?
because of something that makes your cheeks.
For example?
For example, like you feel shy or you feel like happy, but yeah, it comes natural from your cheeks because your skin is white, something like that.
Buffet?
Sorry, miss.
Buffet?
Buffet, buffet, buffet,
Buffet. Buffet.
buffet. Buffet is
That's
food.
right, buffet. Not buffet, right?
Buffet.
Wait, yeah, I check.
Buffet.
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 But like buffet.
Buffet.
Yes,
Buffet.
but like swing the sound, right?
Buffet. Buffet.
Right. What is that?
Buffet. Okay. Buffet is a meal that you can choose. A meal that you can choose. You choose from the table. In example, when you go to the hotel, when you go to the hotel or you go to the restaurant in the hotel, there are some meals on the table that you can choose. You can choose like you want to choose in a part A, part B, or part C.
Is it only in a hotel?
Not
You
only
can
in a
find this?
hotel, in example, like when you go to the wedding party with your mommy or some kind of party that serve the food by using buffet
So it means like self-service.
self-service. In
Yes.
example, like this, when you entering the party example, like you will take your
Or
plate
maybe the
by
event,
you will take your plate and then you will take your rice. You will choose food that you want
Whatever
to
they,
take. Yeah.
whatever you want to eat, I mean, like that, yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Button mushroom.
Button mushroom is a kind of mushroom, round, white. It's really the I mean like the shape is really like button. Button
Means that
mushroom.
the color or is only white?
Sometimes they have white and around of them has like browns, dark browns. The example of button mushroom you can see button mushroom at the pizza. Sometimes, not sometimes. Some people always use button mushroom when they cook pizza or pasta or salad, something like that.
So
And some people also use button mushroom as their extra flavor for their food.
all right. Bookshelves.
Bookshelf is a shelf that you can use for keeping your book. We used to hold and to display the books. An example, like we have bookshelves in here in our class.
You show
we-
it to them.
Yes, exactly behind you. That is a bookshelf that you always put your bag inside it. Or an example, like you go to the library or like a bookstore, you will find the book in every bookshelf. In example, like the bookshelf, there are some part of bookshelf like a story book or science book or math book, something like that.
Okay. Okay. Okay, now we move to ISP Science and Bahasa. The topic is still same.
Still same about rekreasi,
Oke, coba Miss jelaskan apa yang Miss bahas di sini di ISP Science.
Untuk minggu ini kan sama seperti Little Step dan Sounds Great. Ini adalah minggu-minggu review, jadi semuanya masih membahas ulang tentang checkpoint question mengenai tema rekreasi. Salah satu contoh checkpoint questionnya seperti menanyakan apa itu rekreasi menurut para siswa. Jadi contohnya seperti ini. Mengenai checkpoint question yang sudah pernah kita pelajari beberapa minggu ini tentang tema rekreasi, menurut kalian apa sih itu rekreasi? Dan lalu mereka menjawab rekreasi itu adalah kegiatan yang dilakukan saat kita pergi berjalan-jalan bersama teman ataupun keluarga.
Jadi di ISP Bahasa apa yang Miss bahas sehingga mereka bisa berbeda gitu, karena kan topiknya sama ya, tapi penjelasannya memang harus berbeda gitu. Jadi apa yang membuat mereka berbeda?
Yang membuat mereka berbeda itu pertanyaannya, karena dalam setiap halaman itu kan Miss gambar-gambarnya itu tuh berbeda. Jadi ada beberapa gambar yang menunjukkan contohnya tentang kendaraan. Nah disitulah kita
Itu
membahas.
kendaraan termasuk SP Science atau bahasa yang
Eh,
kalian bahas?
Kalau untuk kendaraan sebenarnya gini Miss, itu dua-duanya sama-sama nyambung karena itu kan temanya tema-tema rekreasi. Jadi yang jadiin pembeda mereka itu ya setiap halaman itu lagi ngebahas apa. Kayak contohnya tentang kendaraan lah. Kendaraan itu kan gambar kendaraan itu ditemukan di ASP Bahasa. Jadi kita bisa
Oh, di SP bahasa ya?
ya kita bisa tanya sama setiap siswa kan, apa sih kendaraan yang kamu gunakan saat kamu pergi berekreasi? Lalu mereka bisa jawab, saya lebih suka menggunakan kendaraan mobil karena saya bisa tidur, saya bisa istirahat, begitu. Lalu kayak untuk di ASP Sains juga punya bagian sendiri, bagiannya masing-masing, dan juga di ASP Matematika. Kayak seperti tadi kan
Terbalik kayaknya Miss. Kendaraan itu di ASP Science bukan bahasa.
Oke. Kendaraan di ASP Sains, oke. Di ASP Bahasa lebih ke tempat rekreasi.
Ke tempat rekreasi tersebut.
Iya.
Kalau perlengkapan dia masuk ke apa?
Perlengkapan masuk ke ASP Bahasa. Contohnya, apa sih barang-barang yang sering kamu bawa saat kamu berekreasi? Contohnya, saat kamu berekreasi ke pantai, barang-barang apa saja yang bisa kamu bawa? Jadi anak murid bisa berimajinasi dengan ketika saya pergi ke pantai, saya membawa topi pantai, kacamata renang, baju ganti, botol minum, dan lain-lain.
Oke, now we move to Pictionary bahasa. Apa itu prasmanan, Miss?
Prasmanan itu sama seperti prasmanan itu adalah makanan yang kita ambil di atas meja, makanan yang kita pilih sendiri saat kita ingin memakannya. Contohnya kalau kita pergi ke acara like pesta ulang tahun, pesta pernikahan, ataupun kita pergi ke restoran hotel yang menyediakan buffet prasmanan, yang menyediakan makanan prasmanan, kita bisa ambil nasi kita sendiri, kita boleh pilih lauk yang kita mau, kita boleh pilih, contohnya kamu maunya ambil pizza, kamu boleh ambil pizza, kamu mau ambil hamburger, kamu boleh ambil hamburger gitu.
Oke. Bak mandi.
Bak mandi adalah tempat yang kamu gunakan untuk mandi, lalu kamu bisa masuk ke dalamnya yang diisi penuh dengan air. Contohnya kamu berendam di dalam bak mandi saat mandi. Terkadang this is the additional explanation. Terkadang beberapa orang juga menggunakan bak mandi untuk bermain-main sabun, bermain-main bebek-bebekan seperti itu. Nah, gitu.
Tapi di sini artinya berbeda ya, seperti ambigu ya, karena tempat untuk mandi dengan air, seolah-olah ini tempat untuk air, jadi kita kayak menimba gitu loh.
Tempat untuk mandi dengan air. Maksudnya tempat untuk mandi yang diisi dengan air.
Iya, harusnya ya.
Ya cuman kita that's only a main point, that's only a point, but as a teacher we keep explaining them in a good words, in a good sentence,
in a simple words.
Yeah, in a simple words,
so that they can understand ya. Ya karena nanti kalau di sini seperti dua maknanya kan, satu tempat kita mandi atau satu tempat air yang untuk kita timba.
Ya, kan? For the kids
tapi ada gambarnya ya.
Yes,
ada gambarnya.
We know that we can explain to them like this is a bathtub, so you can find in a bathroom. By the way, you can fill in the water until full, and then you can put your body inside. Then you can play a soup, or you can play your toys inside the bathtub, but you cannot stay inside for too long, maybe around 20 minutes or 15 minutes is enough for you. So not all the bathroom has bathtub, guys. It's only for the bathroom that someone's provide it. But do you have bathtub in your house? To make them interest.
Oke. Alas makan bayi.
Alas makan bayi adalah kain yang kita gunakan untuk menutupi daerah dada, menutupi daerah tubuh agar menjaga pakaian kita tetap bersih saat kita makan. Contohnya saat bayi makan pasti ada alas kain yang menutupi daerah leher dan bagian dada dia. Jadi sehingga tidak bisa saat mereka makan, makanan itu nggak jatuh ke daerah pakaian dan pakaian mereka tuh tetap bersih gitu.
Oke. Jamur kancing.
Jamur kancing adalah jenis jamur yang berwarna putih, agak sedikit kecoklatan juga terkadang, dan bentuknya itu seperti kancing baju. Biasanya kamu temukan itu di makanan-makanan atau biasanya ini digunakan sebagai penambah rasa, sebagai ekstra topping dalam makanan. Contohnya, jamur kancing ini biasanya bisa kamu temukan dalam pizza. Ataupun beberapa like nasi goreng kadang ada juga yang menggunakan jamur kancing ataupun kayak capcay. Tapi itu hanya additional saja, hanya tambahan saja, tidak semua makanan.
Oke. Roti?
Roti adalah jenis makanan yang terbuat dari mentega, tepung, telur, dan biasanya digunakan biasanya kita konsumsi saat kita ingin makan sarapan pagi. Contohnya saya sarapan pagi dengan susu dan roti. Gitu.
Alright, I think enough for the evaluation for today. Based on the evaluation that we have done just now, so you pass in these evaluations. Okay, thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.